Hello mga kapitbahay, it's Jen. Now let's talk about renting. Before, kasi when you say renting, talagang yung monthly mo is tapon. Pero, does it actually save you money or just wasting your money? Dati, yes, oo. Pero now we are in a makabagong era. So, basically, renting nowadays offers that sort of flexibility lalo na sa mga kabataan, mga young professionals nowadays na they tend to move, they tend to go places. So, paiba-iba yung mga gusto nilang location, they wanna explore more. You're not tied down to a certain place na dun ka forever because you have to pay the mortgage. Unless you pay it for 5 years lang, turn on, edi tapos mo na agad. But, like, how much money did you shell out to get that property? When you could have just invested some of the money to other opportunities or other investments. So, my take with renting now is, yes, money will be unrecoverable na when you rent. Not be stressed about it if you're just renting today, kasi hindi ka naman forever magre-rent, diba? After a few years, you'll discover what you really want, where you really want to live, or what do you really want to do in life. If you wanna travel, or you just wanna go from one place to another, try different culture, try different traditions from different regions of here in the Philippines. I don't know. Renting, you save yourself from insurances, RPT, real property taxes. So yung mga yung mga stapled na mga bayarin when you have your property. Property investing is not the only way to build your equity. Yes, it's one of the best things to build your equity, but you have other investment options where you can build your equity. Hindi naman kailangan na kung ano yung ginawa ni Warren Buffett, yan na si Grant Cardone, hindi naman kailangan eksakto yung pagka-copy mo. You have your own creativity, you have your own decisions, and you have your own choice. Thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please do like and follow.